Hey guys, welcome back to SPB Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video I'll be showing you all a very easy and simple festive and wedding guest makeup look with just 5 makeup products, and also I'll be showing you all a jasmine flower hairdo as well. So this is perfect for wedding guest makeup look definitely, and also as you guys can see, it is a very versatile look, so you can definitely pair it with lehenga and anarkali, anything of your choice. Now let's start with makeup. First I'll be using this Plum mattifying moisturizer. It's a very good moisturizer. It does suit every skin type, I feel, because I've got normal to dry skin. It moisturizes my skin very well, at the same time doesn't make my skin oily. Now for base makeup I'll be applying this Maybelline concealer, which is in this shade caramel. So I'll be applying this concealer as my foundation. So first I'll be applying it all over my face and then blending it using a makeup sponge. Now as you guys can see, it is a good match to my skin tone, and not just that, it blends very well, and once it is set, it doesn't move at all. So I really like this concealer. Now I'll be again using the same concealer, and then I'll be applying it to my dark spot, because as you guys can see, there is a little bit of darkness around my eyes, and also a little bit of dark spots is there. So just to cover that, I'll be applying this concealer on top of it. And now I'll be not using any makeup sponge or anything like that, just dabbing with my fingers, so that this product doesn't spread all over. I just want my dark spot to be covered really well, so I'll be blending it with my fingers itself. Now I forgot to apply a lip balm, so I'll be using this Maybelline New York lip balm in the shade Highlight Wine. It is very tinted and also very moisturizing, so I've applied that. Now to set my base makeup, I'll be using LA Girl HD Pro compact powder in the shade Soft Honey. It is again a good match for me, and also best part is that it has got deeper shades which is gonna suit a deeper skin tone, which is something I really love. And now I have just set it using this Wet n Wild powder brush. It is just for 299 rupees, but it works pretty well. Now for Kajal, I'll be using my favorite Kajal, that is this Plum Kajal. I'll be applying it to my waterline as well as to my lash line. Now with the help of a Q-tip, I'll be smudging that Kajal. If you have a brush, you can definitely use that. I thought let it be very simple and minimal products, so that's the reason I used a Q-tip. Now I have tight lined my eyes, and also I'll be drawing a thick liner. It need not be very neat because we are gonna smudge it. Now I'll be taking this Nykaa Jade Rose Lip Crayon, and I'll be taking a little bit of this product to my fingers and applying it all over my lids. Now again using this q-tip, I'll be smudging this kajal. I want this lipstick shade and this kajal to merge together. It should not be separated. I want this to be like together. There should not be any harsh lines, so just smudge it very well. And then I'll be smudging the crease line as well, so that the pink shade which we have applied doesn't look very harsh. It should be really nice and blended. And after that I'll be again tight lining and drawing a very thin line to my lash line. And also I have drawn a very small wing, and then I'll be cleaning the edges of that wing using a q-tip, so that there's a very sharp nice wing. Now I'll be taking the same compact powder with my pinky finger and then applying it under to my lash line, just to make that kajal smudge proof, and to make that kajal to last longer. And I'll be taking the same compact powder and applying it to my inner corners, just to give a highlight effect. That's it. And then I'll be using this Essence Lash Mania Reloaded False Lash Mascara. Oh my god, that's a long name. I'll be applying a good 2 to 3 coats of mascara. It's a very good mascara, especially that wand is very good. It separates the lashes and coats each and every lash, so in that way it definitely gives a false lash effect. And then whatever mascara is left on the brush, I'll be just applying it to my eyebrows. Now I'll be just taking off that extra lip balm, whatever it is there, and then I'll be just blotting my face, so that if there is any extra product, that will just come out. Now for lipstick, I'll be again using the same lip crayon which I've used to my eyelids. So I won't be using it as it is. I'll be just applying it a little bit to my lips and then just spreading it. That's it. In that way it gives a nice pinkish shade to our lips, which is very natural. Now for blush, I'll be applying this lip crayon to back of my hands, and then I'll be picking that product with the help of that makeup sponge, and then I'll be applying it as my blush. So in this way it is very natural, and it's a very nice pinkish color to our cheeks, which is really nice. Now I'll be again setting it with a compact powder. I've taken very little amount of compact powder, and I'll be applying it all around the blush, because it's a cream product. We do not want to crease very easily. We want it to be long lasting. That's the reason I've taken a little bit of compact powder. I'll be again setting my whole face, and then just to make this lipstick to last longer, I'll be keeping a tissue paper and then applying compact powder on top of it. That way it is going to last for a longer time, and it is going to make a lipstick matte as well. Now let's start that hairstyle. For that, first I'll be applying this hair serum and making sure that there is no tangles at all. Again, comb your hair very well so that there is no tangles at all, and then I'll be taking middle partition. It's your choice. If you want to take side partition, you can definitely go ahead and take that. And then I'll be taking big chunk of hair from both the sides. So whatever hair is left over at the back, I'll be just securing it using a clutch clip. Now let's start with the hairstyle. First I'll be taking a very small section of hair, just like so, and then with the help of my finger I'll be taking another section just below the first section, and I'll be holding that second section and then leaving the first section just like this. Now again take another section which is gonna have that first section hair as well, and then we are gonna repeat the same. Now just pull each and every section of that hair so that there is a little bit more volume. In that way it would look more pretty, and then again secure that section very well using hairpin. Now tie all the hair together in a low pony, and then just twist all of the hair and then put it in a bun. Now just secure the jasmine flower at one side and put it all over the bun, and that's it. With that, our jasmine flower hairstyle is done. So I've put bindi and I've also put sindoor, which is from Color Bar. It's a very good sindoor. And the sari I have worn is my mom's sari, and it is 28 years old sari. That is, the sari is of my age. And necklace and earring set is from Amazon, and nose pin is from a Euphorbia box, and bangles is from a local store. So that's it guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If so, please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.